Alright, just a quick back. I'm fixing the errors from the MIT, the port 1, just the last two. As you can see here, it's already fixed, that chain. And here in the answers, we got 3. We got the data lane, the CNA, time to live, the time, the query type, and the website name. Of course, we also have it printed out, as what you guys can see. So now that you understand. And then we'll be moving on to working on the Asian website. Alright? Correction, we're going to be looking at the Korean server, and we're going to be answering question 20 to 23. And here's the server. It's in Korean. We have a command prompt open. We have Wireshark open. Now we're going to answer the following question. To what IP address did the new DNS query message send? Is this IP address of your default local DNS? No. Now what does the IP address correspond to? Alright, so we write the IP address of the DNS query message being sent is, so let's go to our Wireshark. Dun 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 dun. Domain name system. No. You have no two open. But the IP address, The IP address is 192.168.16.1. Alright, that will be the IP address of the laptop that you'll be using. This is mine, for example. This is like the IP address, like Internet Protocol, and this is the DNS server. So being sent would be this one. So we write 192.168. Uh-huh. 168.16.1, and we'll say this is, so we look at the command prompt in the DNS here. Hold on. And yes, this is the we say the IP address. We say this is the IP address of our default local DNS server. Easily. Now examine the DNS query. What type of DNS query is it, and does the message contain any answers? Alright. So we're here. And we need to examine what type of DNS query is it. Alright, let's go to domain. Queries. This is a type NS. So we write the DNS message is a type NS. Does the message contain any answers? We got any answers? No. It just contains the query. That is all. So we write? No. The message only contains the query. Examine the DNS response. Now we're going to be looking at the response method. How many answers provided and what each of these answers contain. Alright, so now we'll look to the response. Answers are provided. Alright, answers. There are 3 answers, alright. So we write there are 3 answers being provided and each contain. Now let's see what each contain. Okay, we know we got the website name, the type, the class, the time to live, the data lane, the name server. Well, that's a new one. Yeah. So we write the name of the website, let's close these, the query type, the class, type. If you hear me say class, this might be the class type, so you understand that, don't get confused. The time to live, the data length, yeah, and the name server, yeah, and the name server. And then we need to see a screenshot. So we open our Wireshark lab, we press file, click print, we put selected packets only, we print, and we write a 6. We press save. We open up here, and there we could see all of them. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have a good night.